you don't know how to start or where to start from on importation business, because there are just too many step-by-step guides you have to follow, then worry no more. In this video, I'll be simplifying the processes for you. If this sounds interesting to you, make sure you watch this video till the end. My name is Aisha Tadewanyi from Digital Intellectual Hub and Khartoum Corridor. I have tried to break this video into 6 different steps to make sure it is as simple as possible for you. Follow it as it goes. Step number 1, have a niche. You want to make sure you have a particular segment of products you want to be selling. For example, slimming herb, which are under health niche, and handbags and shoes, which are under fashion accessories. But make sure you know what people want before going into a niche. Know what people want in such niche before going into the niche. Make sure you know what is reigning in your chosen niche, because this will help you to know what kind of people you want to sell to. This will help you to know who your customer is. It will also help you to create your customer avatar. Creating customer avatar will generate you more sales. A situation where you will make sales today and until next 2 or 3 months till you make another sales. You want to be making sales every time. You want to be making sales every day. Step number 2 is know what your customers want. Remember I told you when we were talking about the niche that you should make sure you know what people want. In this situation, you are not selling to yourself, you are selling to others. Since you are not selling to yourself, you want to make sure they want such kind of product so that you'll be able to be making sales all the time. I will also advise you not to go into oversaturated business. For example, handbags, shoes, powder like lipstick, these things are oversaturated because so many people are into the sales of these things. You want to select a product which you know that so many people don't know much about it. For example, a yam pounder. People don't know much about yam pounder because normally we use mortar and pestle to pound yam. So you want to lessen people's stress. For that reason, you search for something that is not that common. So you sell it to people that you know that they may want it. They will want it because it will bring convenience for them. At the end of the day, if I like, I may not buy handbag. If I like, I may not buy shoe. But there are some things that people really need in their household. The yam pounder is an example, and also blenders and some other things that can bring convenience to people. If you know that you are going into oversaturated business, make sure you have the strength to be able to market your product. You want to make sure that every day you are putting your product in front of those people that you know that they will buy it from you. If you are selling handbags, you are selling shoes, make sure people see it every day so that they will have interest in it. Then they can buy. You want to make sure you are making video of your product so that they will get to know what is inside the products they are buying. Does the handbag have lining? Does the handbag you are selling have zipper? How many zipper does it have? These are the details you want to put in front of the people in your video. So this is how to go about oversaturated business. But here, I want to advise you not to go into oversaturated business, especially when you are just starting your business. Step number 3, decide which country to buy from. Which country do you want to buy from? If you are selling handbags and shoes, for example, you want to make sure you buy high quality handbags. This also depends on the people you are selling to. Are you selling to people that will buy handbag 3,500 naira, 4,500? Or you are selling to people that will buy handbags as 12,000 naira and they will still appreciate you? These are the things you want to consider before importing your product from the country you want to import from. For example, Turkey have good fashion accessories that are of high quality, like Gucci. These are the brands they have. They have Zara. They have different brands in Turkey that you can buy that has high quality. You want to make sure the product is something you can put your money into. For example, you are selling handbags and shoes now. You want to make sure you are buying from Turkey, China, Those are the places you can find handbags and shoes that are of high quality. Also, if you want low quality, you can get low quality from China. It depends on what set of customers you have. You want to make sure at every step of your decision you are putting your customers in mind. Your customers should be the first thing you will be thinking about. Let me take this as an example. If you are thinking about buying handbags and shoes, you can buy from Turkey, you can buy from Dubai, you can buy from China. But mind you, if you are thinking of buying handbags and shoes, maybe you want to import handbags and shoes now that are of high quality, you have to be thinking about buying from Turkey, buying from US, or buying from UK. Because dollar is at higher rates, people don't usually like buying from UK or US. People want to buy at Turkey because they get higher quality at low price. If you are thinking of going into electronics, you want to consider buying from China. China has enough electronics, branded ones and unbranded, that you can buy at low prices and sell them triple the price in Nigeria. If you are going into oil perfume, you want to consider buying your oil perfume from Dubai. Or maybe you want to go into selling jewelries like earring or bracelets, maybe in gold or in silver. You want to consider buying from Dubai. So let's say maybe you want to start selling modest wear, for example. You can go into modest wear, maybe abaya, jalabia, and all these modest dresses. You can also buy from Dubai and you can import from Egypt. If you are selling jeans and men's shirts, women's shirts, office dresses, jeans trousers, with this you can consider buying from Bangladesh. Step number 4, determine your shipping mode. We have air shipping, we have sea shipping. You want to put in thought what kind of product you are buying. Are you buying a bulky product or you are buying a lightweight product? For example, a fridge or freezer would be very heavy to ship in by air, and at the end of the day it will remove all your profit away from you. What you want to do is to consider bringing in the freezer or fridge by sea. As you've all known that a carton of slimming tea may not weigh more than 500 grams. So you want to consider using air shipping for lightweight products. Step number 5, shipping fees. After knowing all this, you have already selected your niche. You know what your customers want. You know which kind of products you want to buy, and you know which country you are buying from. And also you have known which kind of shipping mode you want to use. The next thing to do is to make sure you calculate your shipping fee. By calculating your shipping fee, you'll be able to know your landing cost. Knowing your landing cost will help you to know how much profit you are going to make on such products. These are the things you have to consider before importing any product. Once you calculate the landing cost, once you put your profit, know if the product's really worth your time, if it's really worth your efforts. Go to market to price the product. Know what the price is in Nigeria here before you ship it in. Know the landing cost, put your profit. With that, you will be able to know if you are on the right track. I want you to do all these things before you even buy the product at all. All these things, you have to consider the niche, the everything before you even buy your product at all. You have to calculate the landing cost before you even buy it at all, because once you buy it, you bring it to Nigeria and you see that the shipping fee or the money you used to buy the product has already taken away all your profits. This will make someone run into loss, and we don't want that. Step number 6, sell your product. Once you have gone through all these steps, you have bought your product, you ship it into Nigeria, you already know what kind of landing cost you are having, you already know the profits. Then the next thing is to sell your products. There are so many ways you can sell your products online. You can sell on social media, for example Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. If you are selling fashion accessories, you may think of selling on Instagram and also selling on TikTok. You can decide to have a website, create your sales funnel, and get your product in front of the right people. By having your own website, you'll be able to have your sales funnel. Also, you'll be able to create your mailing list. In case if Instagram and Facebook are not active anymore, you'll be able to use your own website to grow your business over and over again. So with all these 6 steps, you want to consider having your supplier contacts in China, in Turkey, in Dubai, and in every other country you think your niche will take you to. If you don't have contacts of suppliers from these countries, make sure you consider subscribing to my channel, because in our later videos I will be giving you suppliers contacts for free as we dive deep into the world of importation. With this, you also want to contact some shipping companies in Nigeria to make inquiries about how much their shipping fees will be or what duration is their shipment. For this reason, I have created a list of China shipping companies that I know in Nigeria into a PDF file for you. To have access to the document, click the link in the description box below, follow the prompt, and your list will be sent to your email. So if you would like to know how to calculate your landing cost on a particular product, or how to start your importation business, importing from China, from Turkey, from Dubai, and from other countries, these are the things I treat in my channel. And also I treat exportation. I also create content about how you can start your business from scratch, and I create content generally on e-commerce and how to make money online.